Hey guys, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. I'm going to give you a brief overview of what's going on with Bitcoin right now. There could be a Bitcoin imminent bull run as exchange reserves are declining, and we're going to talk about what that means and how we basically come to that conclusion. So we're going to take a look at that in this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X wherever you're watching this because, I do these quick updates for you guys all the time. Usually every day I give some kind of a Bitcoin update just to keep you guys in the loop, let you guys know what's going on in the overall market. It can be a little bit daunting to navigate, multiple news sites and try to piece things together. Sometimes it's not, explicitly clear why Bitcoin's moving the way it does, and I put a lot of time and effort into bringing you guys these videos. So I do really appreciate your guys' support. Bitcoin could be heading towards its next bull run. Bitcoin reserves on exchanges have been falling significantly. And this is a pattern that often precedes substantial price increases. And this is why. So Bitcoin holders are more likely storing their coins in cold wallets or, holding, we call it, we say not your keys, not your crypto. Don't hold your coins on exchanges. Smart investors will move their coins to wallets that they have self-custody. And, a lot of times they'll do that because they think the value is going to go up and they want to hold on to them long term. And most, seasoned investors don't hold much funds on exchanges because they're meant for exchanging, right? So this has been followed by price surges, according to reports from cryptoQuant. So it's making less Bitcoin available in the market, basically for trading. You take the coins off of exchanges and put it into wallets. There's less Bitcoin out there. It's a supply and demand thing, right? So besides the decline in Bitcoin holdings, the report reveals that stablecoin holdings by exchanges have also risen in the past month. This shows that people are preparing to buy, indicating that there's a significant buying demand. So it's basically like how we talk about having dry powder on the side or having cash, having liquidity for big price movements and things like that. So you're able to have funds sitting on the sidelines waiting for your next move. And that's basically what we see, indicating there's significant buying demand. This is a tangible capital available for use, and the fact that it's usually a stable coin indicates that the traders are waiting for the right time to inject their money into carrying out trades, basically waiting on the sidelines until they hit price targets that they're looking for, or if they see an indication in the overall market that could signify a next move up. That's basically what people are doing. Smart money is waiting on the sidelines. So having less number of Bitcoins in exchanges and increased amount of funds ready to invest, the market might be getting set for the next big up movement. This, like I mentioned, supply and demand. And, it really comes back to what we've been talking about on the channel is we've been waiting for, some good financial data coming. We're also we got CPI data today in the United States, better than expected. Inflation is falling. I believe the number was 2.4%, somewhere around there. So it is getting down close to that 2% mark that the Fed is waiting to see. And, I really think a rate cut is on the table. We'll have to wait, obviously, until the 18th to find out what that will be. But I think that that's what basically this money's sitting on the sidelines for. We're waiting for September to end. We're waiting for October to begin. Historically, good times in crypto start in October-ish area-ish. I'm not saying it's a for certain or for sure thing, but historically speaking, it has done very well for cryptocurrency in the fall. And not only that, this coincides with a potential big rate cut. And I say big, and I don't necessarily mean number-wise, but I mean this could be a big deal, especially in terms of the U.S. financial markets, because we haven't seen a rate cut in quite some time. And this is something that could potentially happen, most likely will, now that we're getting some better inflation numbers. So really think people have their money sitting on the sidelines, waiting for their time, waiting for their mark, waiting for their basically their signal that the bull run is going to start, and they're just kind of waiting, playing that waiting game. And that's what smart money does. You don't buy in the green days. You sit there and you wait until your target comes, or you get some good dips and you dollar cost average, that kind of thing, whatever it is you do. But basically that's what they're doing. So we're going to keep an eye on this for sure. This is a metric that is very prominent in technical analysis. We always look at what's on exchanges, how people are storing their funds, and try to predict what others are going to do. I find that is a big thing in cryptocurrency. Sometimes crypto doesn't make sense of why it does things the way it does, but if you kind of try and figure out how people react to certain situations, a lot of times you can come out ahead. That's what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.